Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the lookout for a night cream that delivers all the anti-aging benefits without the typical irritation of retinol, you're in for a treat today. Let's talk about Cetaphil Healthy Renew Skin Tightening Night Cream, a product that promises to visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while offering a gentler alternative to traditional retinol. This product is designed to support sensitive skin, and tonight, we'll dive into whether it lives up to its claims. Cetaphil's Healthy Renew Night Cream is a skincare treatment that targets visible signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. The formula combines purified peptides, a gentler alternative to retinol, with vitamins B3 and B5, which work together to soothe, hydrate, and help repair the skin's natural moisture barrier. Notably, it's fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and free from parabens, which is excellent for anyone with sensitive skin. Now let's get into the real-world experience. The first thing I noticed when applying the cream was how rich and smooth the texture felt. It's thick but not greasy and absorbs into the skin without leaving a heavy residue. I've used this as part of my nighttime routine, applying it after cleansing and before any serums or oils. It felt incredibly soothing, perfect for those nights when your skin needs a little extra TLC. I could feel the hydration almost immediately, which was a great first impression. I didn't experience any irritation or dryness, which can sometimes happen with other anti-aging products, especially those with retinol. It's amazing that this product offers similar anti-aging benefits without the typical adjustment period associated with retinol. After about 2 weeks of nightly use, I did notice my skin looked a bit more rested, and some of the fine lines around my eyes appeared softer. My skin had that healthy, well-rested glow in the morning and felt nourished and hydrated throughout the day. One of the standout features of this product is the use of peptides as a retinol alternative. Peptides are known for their ability to support the skin's collagen production, which makes them an excellent choice for addressing aging signs. What's great about this formula is that it works without the dryness or irritation that often comes with retinol, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin or those looking to avoid harsh ingredients. However, one minor downside I noticed is that while the formula is hydrating, it might not be moisturizing enough for those with very dry skin. I didn't experience any dryness, but if you have ultra-dry skin, you may want to layer it with an additional moisturizer. Additionally, the thick texture may not appeal to those who prefer lighter creams, especially in warmer weather. Pros: rich texture that feels soothing and hydrating. No irritation or dryness even for sensitive skin. Effective anti-aging benefits with a noticeable reduction in fine lines. Fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist tested. Peptides provide anti-aging benefits without the downsides of retinol. Cons: might not provide enough moisture for very dry skin. A bit thick for those who prefer lightweight night creams. When it comes to value for money, Cetaphil is positioned as an affordable, dermatologist-backed skincare brand, and this product fits that mold. At around $20 for 1.7 ounce, it's reasonably priced for the quality and performance it offers. Given the inclusion of peptides, which are typically more expensive, I think it's a great investment for anyone with sensitive skin who wants anti-aging benefits without breaking the bank. As for product alternatives, there are other peptide-based creams that offer similar benefits, but they often come at a higher price point. If you're looking for something more affordable but still want peptides, you might want to consider The Ordinary's Buffet Serum, which combines peptides and other anti-aging ingredients at a lower cost. The packaging is simple and effective, and the product itself feels like it's built to last. It's also nice knowing that it's dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, which further reinforces Cetaphil's commitment to sensitive skin. In terms of customer support, I've always found Cetaphil's customer service to be responsive and helpful, but I haven't had any issues that required me to reach out. Still, the brand's reputation is solid when it comes to supporting their customers. In conclusion, Cetaphil Healthy Renew Skin Tightening Night Cream delivers what it promises for those with sensitive skin who want anti-aging benefits without the typical irritation of retinol. It's a solid option for people in need of hydration and wrinkle repair without overcomplicating things. While it may not be rich enough for very dry skin, it's an excellent choice for most skin types, particularly if you're looking for an affordable and gentle night cream. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.